Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change a frame color in Canva, right? As you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template, and here we are going to elements, and here I'm just searching for a frame. Okay, so here our frame is. Let's go to see all, and for example let me select any of the frame. For example, I have selected this one, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to elements and then searching for a couple image. So I have searched for couple and going to the all, right? And here in the photos I have clicked on see all, right? And as you can see, there are lots of images related to couple. Drag and drop this image into the frame, right? Now we need to click on stroke style, and here we need to add stroke, right? And then we can simply change the color from here. I have clicked on that option and now I have changed the color. So in this manner you can simply change the color of the frame, right? You can also edit this frame. So I have clicked on edit, and here in the filters you can go to see all, right? And you can add any filter. For example, let me scroll down, right? And here let me add this color. In highlights I have added this color, and in shadows I have added this color, right? So in this manner you can simply change the color of the frame, right? You can also add use another color, right? It's not necessary to use the same color, so you can do it in your way. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.